gentlemen, this fight is 3 rounds in the UFC welterweight division. Introducing first, fighting out of the blue corner, an undefeated mixed martial artist holding a perfect professional record. 10 wins, no losses. He stands 6 feet 2 inches tall, weighing in at 170 pounds. Fighting out of Stockholm, Sweden, by way of Chechnya, Russia, presenting the number 11 ranked UFC welterweight contender in the world, KHAMZAT VS Burns. And now introducing his opponent, fighting out of the red corner, a mixed martial artist holding professional record, 20 wins, 4 losses. He stands 5 feet 10 inches tall, weighing in at 170 pounds. Fighting out of Boca Raton, Florida, by way of Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, presenting the number 2 ranked welterweight contender in the world, Gilbert Dorinho Burns. And when the action begins, our referee in charge, Mike Beltran.
Mike Beltran, our referee for this featured bout at welterweight.
Gilbert all the way back, all the way back.
KHAMZAT Chimaev, minus 525, the betting favorite at close against that man, Gilbert Dorinho Burns. Tonight's fight clock is brought to you by Timex, official timekeeper of UFC. Timex watches have taken a licking and keep on ticking since 1854.
Gilbert stuffs the takedown so far. Chimaev with the clinch.
Burns expected a frantic pace early.
He's going through the middle with those knees. Those went, it looked like they went right to the cup.
Yeah, Gilbert gave the ref a look. My heart's through my chest right now.
Mine too. This is the most highly anticipated matchup in a long time. Because we want to know what's going on. How good is this guy? And so far, he's got Gilbert in a real bad situation.
Toyo Tires, the official tire of UFC. I promise I will not interrupt you, man, a lot.
Oh, you're good.
KHAMZAT is an elite wrestler.
Man, he's just dragging him around.
One of the things that's so shocking about him is how big he is.
He's a big welterweight, no doubt about it.
Gilbert has fought at 155 pounds. And of course, KHAMZAT has fought as high as 185 pounds. Gilbert's gonna roll. Butterflies in full guard. Gilbert does have an outstanding ground game though. 4-time World Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu champion.
Burns maintaining his composure, and for the record, as Chimaev welcomes him back to his feet, Burns has already landed 2 significant strikes, more than anyone prior against Chimaev.
I know Gilbert, he's not going to be happy with that stat unless he lands a whole lot more tonight.
Gilbert is dangerous.
He's got to try to control himself. There's a lot of hype behind this fight, a lot of pressure. Good calf kick there from Burns.
Very nice located, good right hand by Burns as well.
Oh!
Chimaev hurt him.
Body kick is there for Burns. Nice job by KHAMZAT to raise the guard.
Good right hand by Gilbert. Gilbert's got a
jab now from Burns.
Very nice jab.
If you're Gilbert Burns, you take this start all day. 2.5 minutes gone by.
Gilbert's got to settle in, get his rhythm.
Yes.
Could have just caught him with a left hook. That's a big weapon for Gilbert. That sweeping left hook.
Oh, good combination from Chimaev.
Yeah, nice power shots there from Chimaev. Gilbert, though, not being scared, moving forward, landing his own shots. This is crucial.
Good right hand over the top by Gilbert.
We're already seeing Chimaev tested far more than any other fight so far in his UFC career. This is good. We got a fight right now.
Yeah, I mean, this is a giant step up to go all the way to the number 2 guy. Good left hook again.
And then the head movement on the back end for Burns.
See if Chimaev tries to go back to his wrestling. Ooh, big power shots, but nice right hand there.
Good defense by Burns.
You can see the power in those hands, though, from Chimaev. He's cracking hard.
KHAMZAT has left himself open to a couple counters. Under 90 seconds to go in the round.
Is that a slip, or did he get hit with a shot?
I don't know. Oh, got nice
he was
low
off
kick by
balance.
Chimaev.
He overswung.
Yeah, it was a swing and a miss that made him fall. Good kick there by Chimaev.
Oh! Wow. Straight right hand drops Burns. Oh, big shot from Chimaev. Burns trying to fire back.
Trying to swing from his back, which is crazy.
Looked like Chimaev mixed in an elbow there, feinted. A welcome back to the feet.
What a jab. That's a powerful jab, sat him down. 30 seconds left in round one. How much has Burns recovered? He's split open bad.
Yeah.
It looks like that's in the top of the head, though.
That's a nice right hand connection from Chimaev.
Good jab from Burns.
That got Chimaev's attention.
He caught him in the middle of the kick.
We're getting to round two.
That's a fight.
There's no double duty no more after this.
Respira.
Just don't throw single punch. You go too much to the head. Go to the body. Hey, go too much to the body. You know why he hit you with your left jab? You stand still in front of him. Give the side by bullet. He will start to wrestle now.
All right, let's take a look at what sat Gilbert down here. It's just a beautiful, I mean, right on the money, perfect jab. As Gilbert's also coming into it, stepping forward, Chimaev lands a perfect right jab, right down the middle, sat him down. But listen, Gilbert survived, and he was fighting off of his back. Here's a big elbow. This is what split Gilbert open. But hey, we're in round two right now, okay?
Well, Tuesdays catch up on all the latest MMA talk with DC and RC, Daniel Cormier and Ryan Clark. You can find it on YouTube, ESPN Plus, and wherever you download your podcasts. All right, round two here. Henry Hoof calling for some body work out of his pupil, Gilbert Durinho Burns. 27-19 Chimaev on the significant strike front in round one.
And listen, he still looks unbelievable, right? We're kind of like amazed that we're in the second round. That just speaks volumes to what people think of this guy.
Look at that. Takedown attempt by Burns.
I'm just so glad we got a fight right now. You want to see a young prospect like this tested against a guy like Durinho, and here it is.
But Gilbert looks like he's settled in now. Nice check right hook.
Yeah, that was a nice right hook. And look at Chimaev switching stances when he wants. So he's finding shots from different angles, which is confusing to the opponent.
Yeah, he fights very well from both sides, which is why that jab was so potent from the southpaw stance.
Yeah, because it's a power shot.
Oh, right hand counter from Burns.
He got stung.
Gilbert tagged him.
Oh, that right hook from Chimaev, that power side. Nice
Good
body
kick
kick.
to the body. Beautiful kick to the body by Burns.
Nice leg kick from Chimaev.
Don't miss Focus Feature Films The Northman. Fate Has No Mercy. The Northman only in theaters April 22nd.
Man, just missed.
Two good ones by Gilbert.
And now a right hand for Burns.
Gilbert's got to keep those hands up, or Chimaev's going to find the guard, find through the guard. I'm not even making sense right now. I'm so excited.
Chimaev having a lot of success out of the southpaw stance. Counter right from Burns.
Chimaev is so strong.
Wow, dude, that just showed his strength right there. Gilbert couldn't even move that leg.
Oh! Gilbert cooked him in the left.
Oh, and an uppercut for Burns. Chimaev backs up.
He takes him again.
Gilbert's going in strong here in the second.
He can't empty the tank, though.
No, he's got to save something.
Oh, he just got stung himself. A 1-2 from Chimaev. There's that right jab. Gilbert's got to be careful. There's a lot of time left in this round.
Yeah, and we got to remember, we still got 2 title fights after this.
We have crossed the midpoint of round 2.
John, I need a Modelo.
Lower leg kick is there for Chimaev. If you had over a round and a half, those tickets will cash tonight. Wow.
Oh,
Chimaev is slowing.
But as is Gilbert. Gilbert's got his mouth wide open.
Yeah, I mean, these guys are battling right now.
Oh my God.
Oh, that hurt him.
Jab for Burns gets through.
Gilbert landed.
I don't think we're questioning either guy's toughness at this point. Nice
Sprawl from Chimaev.
Gilbert off his back. Good hammer fist from Gilbert off his back. And puts his Gilbert with a jab. KHAMZAT's nose is leaking.
KHAMZAT said, hey, I want a war. I want to be tested. Well, guess what? Durinho's giving it to him right now. Listen to this crowd right now.
It's deafening in here.
This is madness, Joe.
It's wild.
Round by round numbers. Burns with a huge round 2. He has now outstruck Chimaev, at least statistically. As we come up on a minute to go in the round, nice right hand over the top.
Smoother now, John. He looks more relaxed. He's rolling with shots. It's still dangerous, but he's settled in. And he's clearly confident.
This is where that body work that Henry Hooft wanted from his pupil would come in handy.
Ooh, Burns dictating the pace of this fight right now.
He's throwing that beautiful right hook.
He's got to watch that right
rolling
hand.
away from punches, too. Look, his head movement's good now. But Chimaev's still super dangerous.
Oh, my God. He's still got power in those punches right now. And Gilbert has to stand with him because it's up to Chimaev where this fight goes.
Yes.
It's been clear that Gilbert can't take him down. You saw that leg barely even moved from KHAMZAT. Oh, geez.
Good right hand by Chimaev.
Nice up land in the round for Chimaev. Big elbows from Burns and a takedown for KHAMZAT.
That was close. Whoa, what's this? Was that illegal? The knee. I guess we don't care at this point.
Well, we'll take a look at it in the replay. Whoa. What is it? Do we have a translator?
Probably tell him to shoot.
Here's the other round. Right hand.
Oh,
Boom!
my
Look at that
goodness.
right hand. Oh, my goodness. Look at it again. Oh, my goodness.
He looked backwards. That's how bad that shot hit him.
He went down afterwards. Let's see it again. Oh, my goodness. I mean, that is a picture-perfect right hand by Burns. And now here's the end of the round.
Oh.
Gilbert goes to push him off, and KHAMZAT slaps him.
The unauthorized reproduction or distribution of this copyright work is illegal and punishable under law. An appreciative Jacksonville crowd getting a third round. KHAMZAT Chimaev and Gilbert Burns.
That round easily could be Gilbert Burns.
Oh, it is. I think. With that drop?
With that drop, yeah. I think so. I mean, you never know how judges score things, but that looked to me.
Yeah, I mean, we're not judges, but that could be the first round of his career that he has lost.
I mean, he stung him, rocked him, dropped him.
He went from no strikes to getting hit a whole lot in this one.
Longest career fight for Chimaev coming in, 6 minutes and 15 seconds.
But he's still strong, still marching forward. He's still loving it in there. Listen, the guy says he's about that life, and he's proving it.
Well, Gilbert just popped him with a nice jab. And Gilbert's full of confidence coming to this third now. He's got to circle out.
Yeah, he can't stay here against the fence with Chimaev.
There he goes.
Chimaev back to the orthodox stance now. Minute gone by, round 3. Shot from Burns. Chimaev defends well and lands a hammer fist.
He is so strong. I mean,
Gilbert's a beast, and he can't even. Nice work,
almost. Good scramble.
As intense as any non-title fight I can ever remember. 3.5 to go.
And as consequential as any non-title fight.
Oh, but Chimaev starting to tee off.
Burns in a world of trouble, or so it would seem. Knee from Chimaev. Burns trying to fire back as best he can.
Both guys
Burns
laying
is
it out
bleeding
there.
bad, and he's taking some big, deep breaths.
Yeah, I think he's gassed, Joe.
But Chimaev just took a big, deep breath himself.
I know, but there's a difference in their physique right now. But then he does that.
Then he does that, yeah.
Another nice land with that lead hand for Chimaev.
What a fight.
Burns cracks with the jab. Gilbert still throwing. Anybody's fight, 2.5 to go.
It really is. I mean, anything can happen. We're halfway through the 3rd.
The lungs are burning right now.
Yeah, Burns trying his best to move laterally, changes the level, attacks the body.
Oh, still clubbing with that right hand, boy. You got to watch out when you're swinging like that.
Tonight's social media post brought to you by Icon Meals, fueling the competitor in you. Get 30% off your first order today at iconmeals.com/UFC.
KHAMZAT has a nasty uppercut.
Oh my goodness, Gilbert Burns. Just when I think, all right, he's fading, he's out, comes forward, starts landing punches.
Well, have you seen his grueling strength and conditioning routine that he does down here in South Florida?
Yep.
Oh yeah, he's big on that.
Shout out to
oh my goodness!
Oh, he tagged him with that right hand. Oh, he almost tagged him with that second one. Oh, KHAMZAT tagged him.
This is the craziest fight that I have ever called. 100%.
Burns still throwing.